Hello friends, welcome back to my channel The Edu School. So today we are going to learn some basic geometry. So let's start with angles. Now what are angles? An angle is the measure between a vertex and two arms. So if A is the vertex here, AC and AB are the two arms, and this portion is the angle. So it is the measure between a vertex and the two arms. So this is known as our angle, right? Now how do we measure an angle? The basic measurement unit for angle is known as a degree. If this is our angle, we measure an angle with the degree, right? So as I have already said that A is the vertex, AB and AC are the two arms, and this measurement is our angle. Now what are the types of angle? Number one, right angle. An angle that measures exact 90 degree. Here the two arms are perpendicular to each other. So let us see, if this is A, that is our vertex, this is B and this is C, then AB and AC are the two arms, and this angle, this region, this measure between the two arms AB and AC is our right angle, and here AB and AC are perpendicular to each other. So this measure is our 90 degree. Next is an acute angle. A small angle that lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. So an acute angle is always less than 90 degree. So see again, if this is P, this is Q and this is R, then P is our vertex, PQ and PR are the two arms, and the measure between PQ and PR is our acute angle. So see, this angle is less than 90 degree. This is 90 degree. So this angle is always less than 90 degree. It can be 85 degree, 89 degree, but it has to be less than 90 degree. Right. Next is obtuse angle. So an angle that is bigger than 90 degree but smaller than 180 degree. So what is an obtuse angle? Again see, if this is X, this is Y and this is Z, then X is our vertex, XY and XZ are the two arms, and this is our obtuse angle. So this angle is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Next is our straight angle. So an angle whose two arms joined in a straight line and measures 180 degree. Now this is very important. See, if this is O, this is P and this is R, then OP and OR are two different arms. Please remember this, that these two are the two different arms. It is not a straight line continuously. These are the OP and OR are the two arms, and when it lies straight, this is called 180 degree. So this angle is 180 degrees. So an angle whose two arms are joined in a straight line measures 180 degree. Next is a complete angle. So when an angle that measures 360 degree, that is one entire rotation, is equivalent to 360 equal divisions. So a circle when it completes its turn, whole turn, it is a 360 degree. So here see, this angle, a complete rotation, is 360 degree, right? Now is the reflex angle. So an angle that measures more than 180 degree but less than complete 360 degree. So if this is our 360 degree, and in the previous slide I have shown you that another arm in a straight line that measures 180 degree. So what about a reflex angle then? A reflex angle is that angle that measures more than 180 degree. It has to be more than 180 degree but less than a complete rotation, that is 360 degree. Again, if this is x, y and this is z, then x is our vertex, xy is one arm, xz is another arm, and this angle is our reflex angle. So a reflex angle always measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Hope you have liked this video. To view more such videos and make learning easy and fun, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.